and then she falls. I was leaning forward. It's two different things. This is leaning forward. This one you're not resisting, you just absorb.
Yeah.
Absorb.
Different kind.
So your legs will get strong. But it's inside, it's open, it's flexible. Don't forget about releasing the mind, that's basic.
Yes, releasing the mind.
So, and then you connect to the ground. So now, even when you do semi-meditation, it doesn't matter what posture, you balance in the 3 yin and the 3 yang channels. From your feet all the way to your upper body. I still need to go through my notes, but in simple words, that's it. So just by doing this and relaxing. Also, another thing is my brother was talking about taking the hockey ball and rubbing the front of your foot and the back of, and I was laughing for flexibility of your tendons. But that's what you're basically doing when you're doing these type of things. When you're dropping your weight and you're going with gravity, connecting to Earth. Or someone's like, connect to Mother Earth to reach Father Heaven. This stuff can even go in other areas.
It's not a correlation to my
like in traditional Chinese, they speak about the Trinity, heaven, man. So man will be your body, and then and put your hand here, and then grab here. You'll notice one thing. See how this is relaxed. It's not this. But I can also you'll notice that this, if you put this is tensing up a little bit. It's like straight. But then this is relaxed. So it's there. So it's not tense actually. I'm just stretching my tendons. Now you're floating. And I can feel it. It's not that there's different concepts. Example, I'll show you. So let's do, if I do, so you can say like that. So you push. Okay? Yeah, you can go. Okay. It's like you're rooted, man. That's the whole point. And the harder you push, see, I can even talk about it. The harder you push, the more tired you're gonna get. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that with you today. I wanted to do it, but I'm looking at your legs. I'm like, nah, you might poop. Yeah. You have to push that forward. So yeah.
Okay. Just to stop. You gonna give it a try?
Yeah. You can shift the weight from front, from where the hips. So I just do this. No, but relax. And then I will just gently, because I also want to let you. So just use, but relax it into the ground. So as I push, back in your pocket, or your legs, sorry. Yeah, I can see, yes. Because we were training earlier on, so that's why his legs are shaking, But you're using, you're trying to... So
but this side's also weak.
I want to rest pushing you. So from the back foot, so what I'll do is if he pushes me, sometimes it'll go to the back, right? So you'll notice this happens. Now I'm seeing. So now I'm in. Eyes already neutralized. That's already gone. And also I do redirect, but like you said, but then you're then supposed to shift it to the front. But if this is not open, it's so which is normal. That's the problem. But don't do this, no. Push. Keep pushing. If you do this, everything is up. I'm already gone. What's this up? But like he said, for somebody that doesn't know, it's just a transfer of weight and closing the, try with you.